just a quick explainer on how to export your data frames that you have in R, how to actually write them to your computer, because all the changes we've done so far were just within R. So we just updated the data frames within R. That had no effect on your files on your computer. So here are a couple of options on how you could export a data frame. We've commented them out because we didn't want that to actually happen. But the commands are write_tsv or write CSV. And then the argument is just the name of the data frame. So this would be our complete, fully joined data, and then a comma, and then we need to tell R what the file name should be. And here, so because it's write_tsv, this is the same as our read TSV. So here it would create a tab separated file. Or you could use write_CSV, and this would create a comma separated file. When you've done a lot of data wrangling commands and really changed a lot in your data frame, and especially operations that took a long time when it was a large data frame, for example, once you're done with that, it's good to export that, or maybe you want to send it to someone else. So it's a good idea to export that at some point. But what you need to remember is that things like data types will not really be exported. So you can't tell Excel, for example, that something is a factor. So what that means is just once you read in your data again, so maybe you've wrangled it, it's a tidy, it looks perfect. And then the next day you want to read it in again and you want to do some visualization or run a model on it. And you need to do all these data type conversions again. So that's something you need to still do again.